Now let's see the question number 18. So question number 18 says for an integer n, and then value of equation is given is, and there are four options which are given. We have to select which is the correct one. So for this question, five options are given. So option A says necessarily odd, necessarily even, necessarily positive, necessarily negative, or maybe even or odd. So for this specific question, as n is said integer, it can be any negative value or positive value as well. Along with that, it can be 0 as well. To determine this proof, let me go with 0 first. If n is equal to 0, then x will be, so this n square will be 0, this will be 0, it will be minus 10. When n is equal to 4, I'm just considering some random value, so x will be 16 minus 12 minus 10, so x will be minus 6. So with these two calculations, I can see the pattern, as value of x is always even, but to fulfill my claim, I need more calculation. At the same time, I have determined as soon as I started increasing the value of n, the negative value of x started dropping. So let's perform one more calculation with some higher value of n. So here I will consider n is equal to 10. That becomes x is equal to 100 minus 30 minus 10. So x is equal to, which is 60. Here I can see the value of x is even and positive. So from this calculation, I can make a claim the value of x is always even. But as the value has changed from negative to positive, so there is no definite answer about the negative or positive sign for the answer. So when we will look at our options, so option A says necessarily odd, so that will not be our answer. Option B, which says necessarily even, so yes, this is one of our answer. Then option C, which says necessarily positive, it cannot be our answer because we have seen negative values of x. Option D, which says necessarily negative, cannot be our answer because we have seen the positive value of x. Maybe even or odd, I will say this cannot be our answer as we have seen always value is even. So in this specific case, I will say option B is our correct answer, which is necessarily even. Thank you.